Yo, what is up? It's Genetix. Let us see what's inside of this epic scare bundle incubator. 7K cash. That's pretty dang awesome. 265K coins. That is what's up, man. Okay, Denacharius. Persaurus Gen 2. Okay, you know, I could always use that. Gorgosaurus. Okay, that's what's up. Suchitator. Gorgosuchus. Tyrannosaurus. Wow. That's amazing, guys. Okay, well, you do you, I'll do me. And before I peace out, I want to let you guys know I'm at 16 subscribers right now. And my first video with 10 likes, I'm giving away a $10 gift card to a subscriber that leaves a like and a comment on the video. So like, comment, and subscribe on all of my videos, guys. You do this and you will win the $10 gift card. Just do it, guys. Later.